Arizona. We're gonna try to make it to San Antonio today. That's a 12-hour drive. It's now 10 o'clock, 10:15. So I'm back in the CRX, robbing the hatch, and I'm in the cursed CRX. Let's check out the views for a second. Nice view, nice view. So we just finished eating, we're in El Paso. So we're gonna try to make it to San Antonio. That's 8 hours away. Right now it's 5:51, it's almost 6 o'clock. It's gonna be rough because I got really tired last night early. But hopefully today will be different. Hopefully I get energy. Right now I'm tired because we just ate, so Red Bull doesn't do nothing for me, but I'm gonna try it out anyways. Once again, I'll update you guys in a bit. I hope you guys, I know this vlog is everywhere right now, and I try not to do that, but I just do so much at once, and like I had it planned out, like, all right, I'm gonna come over here, do this, this, and that. It doesn't really work out all the time, so.
Have you signed the top part and the bottom part? The top part just agreeing to the rate, the bottom part letting me know when I'm self dining. And Wi-Fi will be your room number and your last name.
Got it.
His last name, guys.
Yes.
Oh no, this is open.
I'm gonna pull it out, and then I just need to get all the else.
We're inside Osuna.
Ozona, not Ozuna. Ozuna's a rapper.
No shit. Motherfucker hit the button. You hit everything. Bro.
Oh my god, really? No!
Oh my god. That shit beat that motherfucker.
Bro, if that shit would have stopped, they would have called the cops to get us out of here.
Pretty sturdy. That was a sturdy hop. I can't even lie.
Bro, I heard the beep. I was like, bro, we're fucking stuck.
Which one you want? Alright, so it's the next day.
Double door here.
We're off to San Antonio now. Still got 2 more hours of the desert. Well guys, now I know why this yellow CRX is a bad luck car, because overnight the gas spilled out.
That's not overnight, bro. Yeah. Well, more than that.
Bro, that's insane.
There's gas inside.
Alright, day 3 on our voyage to get back to Florida. See how today goes. We're going to a tire shop right now. Swap out the tires on Carlos's CRX, because the tires are from 2013 and we didn't really notice until now that it's like dry rotting. Show your people. What do you want? And we're at Buc-ee's. Gas over here is $3.99.99.99. Nice. I'm not putting Carlos mess up my beautiful blue paint. The car's starting to grow on me a little bit. It's cool being seen in a nostalgic 90s car. I just be vibing, sweating, no AC. I like kind of. Gatorade! Gatorade! Drop it in! mean, at least we're in city now. No more desert. So let me get through this traffic and get to our next destination. Well, guys, RIP.
I got a 10mm. I can just take those. Well,
Try to accelerate. RPMs are coming down, not up. Now when you try to start it, it's like blowing little puffs of smoke back here. Ah, and we're in the middle of nowhere. The side of the road, middle of nowhere. Damn, bro. Now we sit in the AC car waiting for the tow truck. So it might be the distributor, we don't know. We're gonna have to find out tomorrow. It is 11:45. Ah, things were going so well.
so cap and rotor took a crap on the blue CRX. We figured out the problem already. So hopefully we're trying to get it fixed tonight so we can keep going. If not, we'll just go to AutoZone tomorrow, grab a new cap and rotor, and start heading our asses back to Florida, yo. Because I'm getting over this California trip to Florida shit already. I need to go home.
Well, there you go, guys. I wasn't gonna repeat myself, so that's that. It is now 12:17. Man said we're gonna try to fix it tonight. My ass. What do you think about that, Rob? You're gonna fix it tonight?
Well, I mean, my car works. I can keep going.
We. That's not. None of these are ours. Our rental is good to go. So this hotel we came to is full, and the CRX is driving again. The distributor, like the cap and rotor, like the screw came out of the rotor and basically it just wasn't spinning. So we're just gonna keep on going to the next hotel. Oh my God. And we'll see what happens then. I mean, it sounds fine. Driving normal, I don't know. This vlog is gonna be all over the place, I can tell you that for real. So we're gonna go in the morning. Right now, what time is it? 3:10 in the morning, and it's Thursday. See you guys tomorrow.
Hey! So stupid.
Tomorrow.
I kind of need the rotor more than I need the cap. But all right, thank you. I appreciate it.
Yes,
Bye.
we can't order it for you, but it might take a couple days to come in.
Yeah, no, I'm kind of driving down from California down and the car broke down here, so
Okay.
I'll try and figure it out. Thank you.
All right, thank you. Have a good one.
All right.
Please leave a message for.
I think O'Reilly's taking a vacation.
On the Rob, this is Caitlin speaking. How may I help you?
Hey, good morning. How you doing?
Good.
Can you check my? See if I have a
What'd you say?
Naughty boy,
What'd you say, buddy?
and that's for you.
Thank
Ho
you.
ho ho! Merry Christmas.
The cap?
That is a cap.
Where is it? Don't you have it, Rob?
It's right there. The new one. Hmm?
Oh, we're in business now. There we go.
Alright, I can tell I'm closer to home because I'm sweating. That humidity does not play. Literally dripping sweat. Car feels fine. We got 12 and a half hours to go. And it's 12 o'clock. So we'll probably get home by like 1:30, 2 o'clock in the morning. We're doing freaking great. Alright, so everything is good now. Car's running. Let's go get something to eat and freaking go home, bro. It is now 3 o'clock, my people. I said it once and I'm gonna say it again. If you half-ass something to sell it, like, at least tell the person, because shit like this won't happen. It's dumb shit, you know what I mean? Like, I understand you want to sell the car and shit, but it's like, that was such an easy fix. And it's like, have good news and bad news. The good news is, car starts up, we ate, and we're leaving. Bad news is, it's 4:55. We're an hour away from where we started. We ate a lot of Cajun food, and I'm very tired. All of us are. Alright, I don't know if you guys can hear me, but we've been having fun. Carlos is over here right now. We're trying to get to Ocala. We just passed Tallahassee. We're almost there, so. What are we doing? Last stop. Go check if there's availability?
Yeah.
Are you okay?
No, I'm fucking tired.
No. Alright, spot number 2. That's my stop. Oh, no. No!
Bro, what the hell, man?
Oh, no. No.
They have rooms, but only one bed. They don't have no 2 beds, and I'm not sleeping with you.
Alright, we're almost home. 3 hours left, guys. Alright, guys, we finally made it back to West Palm Beach. Getting off on the turnpike right now. It was one hell of a drive, I can tell you that. Would I do it again? I don't know. Depending if it's a different car. This CRX was fun, I can't even lie. But I need a car with AC, man. But it wasn't as bad as I thought it was gonna be, you know? Here goes Rob Togi now. God damn. Oh my goodness. Me and Rob got some unfinished business, so let's go take care of that. Ready? Damn it.
Yeah. Well, more than that.